In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for fantasy football, a step-by-step guide. We'll keep your strategy private, route your tasks to the right engine, prime the model with your league rules, build a clean roster workspace, tweak projections on the fly, and verify real-time updates before you export everything for draft day. First, anonymize your league data. Before you paste anything, strip out private league links and unique manager names. Think of it as a strategy shield. Describe the format and context without revealing your identity or your exact opponents. For example, frame it as act as an elite fantasy football data analyst reviewing a 12-team half PPR league roster. When you reference players, focus on metrics, target share, expected fantasy points, and depth chart movement, rather than disclosing your specific waiver targets. This keeps rivals from reverse engineering your approach while ChatGPT builds optimized waiver and lineup priorities. Next, route your roster decisions to the correct engine tier using the model framework drop down at the top of your workspace. Keep it on the instant tier for rapid, high volume sweeps like cleaning plain text stats, checking bye weeks and basic weather, or even spinning up fun team names. Switch to the thinking tier for heavy lifts, evaluating multiplayer trades, projecting regression, weighing strength of schedule effects, or running custom value-based drafting models. Set the tier before you ask the question, so the response matches the task. Now prime the model with league settings. Don't start with who should I draft. Instead, hold Shift plus Enter to craft a multi-line blueprint. Use something like act as an expert, high-stakes fantasy football analyst, predictive sports modeler, and game theorist. I want to build a premium draft and roster management framework. Before you provide any player tiers or waiver rankings, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, about my scoring setup, starting lineup requirements, and draft position or current team needs. Then answer each diagnostic question one at a time. Once aligned, open your production roster canvas. Type /canvas, create a structured fantasy football draft tier sheet and weekly roster management ledger based on our parameters, and specify columns for player, name and position, projected baseline tier, a core opportunity metric, injury or schedule risk, and the recommended action. Your screen will split with prompts on the left and a clean interactive canvas on the right. With the tier sheet loaded, edit projections inline, highlight a player row or metric, click the comment bubble, and issue a precise command. For example, a major training camp report confirmed the starting running back suffered a high ankle sprain. Elevate the backup into the primary volume tier, recalculate touch share, raise his value by 2 tiers, and note passing game impacts. Only that block updates. Finally, verify 2026 season dynamics. Click the globe icon, search for the latest depth charts, injury updates, and signings, and confirm assumptions before trades or picks. When you're satisfied, use the export or download button in the canvas to save your plan as a Word document, Markdown, or PDF so it's ready on your phone at the draft table. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on